हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आपका स्वागत इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान में करती हूँ। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, इस अभियान को सूरज सर चलाते हैं और इस अभियान में हर सप्ताह बेस्ट स्पीकर ऑफ द वीक का कंपटीशन करवाया जाता है। आप भी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए पूरा वीडियो को देखिए और कमेंट में वोट कीजिए बेस्ट स्पीकर का नाम लिखकर। थैंक यू। मैं मिलती हूँ आपको अगले वीडियो में।
Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. I'm Amrit from Assam. Nowadays, I live in Bangalore working as an access control operator. Today, I'm going to present to you the secret of what is the secret of happy life. I hope these words will touch your heart and bring you immense joy, happy. My dear friend, happiness is a beautiful part of our life. We feel real happiness when we learn how to control our desire. My dear friend, there are two types of happiness which are called physical and inner happiness. My dear friend, physical happiness comes from fulfilling basic needs and basic require. For example, food, shelter, and clothing. I think there may be vehicle and different type of electronic gadget also, and other is called inner happiness. It's connected to the soul. It comes from peace of mind which we get through prayer, kindness, helping other. When we feel the hungry, that's time we require food. That's why it's all included in physical happiness. My dear friend, when we feed the hungry people and support the poor people, bring a smile to small kids, that time you really feel very happy. Yeah, these are called real happiness. My dear friend, I believe that real happiness often hide sorrow. Therefore, don't worry about this matter. And which don't worry about this matter, whatever you have uh, got upset in your mind, because God has given us that type of power. We can easily, if you want, then we can easily change our mood and alter your mood also. If you feel angry, then if you feel angry and sudden someone will be come and making some jokes, then you will be easily happy, is it not? You will be very happy. That's time you will be starting to laughing, start to laugh. That's why it's called that's why it's called uh, uh, hap- happiness and sadness and sorrow etc are not a big thing, not a big thing. We can easily control whatever you have set in your mindset. You can easily throw your mindset, you can easily control over them, my dear friend. And because God has given us the choice to give in joy in sadness, so if you want to be happy, then learn to change your self mood and see the good in every moment. Thank you, my dear friend. Really, today I am very glad to get this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, my dear friend.
First of all, thank you for giving me a chance to speak in front of all. Today's topic is secret of happy life. Um, Keep your life simple. Always be grateful to others. Follow the Brahmacharya. Change your dream, not your desire. Change your dream, not your desire. Avoid the toxic friend who provide you to smoke and drink. Create an emergency fund for your bad days. Respect your gurus. Consider all girls as your sister and mother, and consider all boys your brother and father. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak in front of all. Thank you, bye.
My name is Rekha Malani. I am from Nagpur, the village in near Parsupan. Such as a beautiful topic, secret life happy. Let's start my topic. My topic is amazing. Happy is not searching by surrounded all around us, because always life simple keeps your simple life. Other people's are welfare, and the considered are brahmacharya, and consider mother and sisters uh, are 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 always we provide drink and smoke, fulfill our dreams daily, and and created emergency and bad days. I am grateful with my family. I I am live to with my family, supporting his life is very happy, and I am prepared. I am going to the kitchen and prepare the foods. Happy life, because you prepare foods are very delicious. I We should take exercise, meditations, and walking your daily. To you should have mindset to you are happy, and respect your surasar and gurus, parents. So you can definitely happy.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Hemant Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys I am here to speak about something a wonderful topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic is secret of happiness. So happiness is a great feelings that one can feel. For me, happiness comes from few things in my life. I love my family. So spending time with my family makes me feel happiness. We enjoy watching movies, playing games, and sometimes having dinner together. So spending time with my family makes me a very happiness. Second thing is my friend. My I love my friends, and my friends are very important for me. My friends always bring me joy. We enjoy going for a long drive, sometimes watching movies, and sometimes we have party together. So my friends always make me feel happiness. Third thing is nature. I live in a forest area, so I like nature and I like to see different types of birds and animals. And sometimes I like to roaming around in nature and see the greenery. So nature makes me feel happiness. So I must say happiness is our inside, not outside, and happiness doesn't sell in the market. If we happy our inside, then everything looks like beautiful. So have happiness and sadness are two sides of one coin. Sometimes we feel happiness and sometimes we feel sadness. So we should uh, we should happy in our life, because life is short and beautiful. And if we feel happiness our inside, everything looks beautiful and everything looks wonderful in our life. So happiness is very important in our life. So that's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech and video. Thank you for listening to me. Thanks again.